everyone, welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Alice, and today we're tackling one of my favorite topics, organizing food in small kitchens.
Hi, Alice! Perfect topic. Small kitchens can be cozy but chaotic if space isn't used wisely.
Exactly. So where do we start when everything feels cluttered?
Begin with zoning. Separate areas for prep, cooking, and storage. Each zone should serve one purpose.
That already makes things feel simpler. What about containers?
Stackable, clear ones, you see what you have, and they save a lot of shelf space.
And labeling must help too, right?
Definitely. Label by category or expiration date. It prevents waste and makes cooking faster.
Smart! How about using vertical space?
Essential. Add shelves, hanging racks, or magnetic strips. Empty walls are opportunities.
I love that! And inside cabinet doors? People forget those.
Yes! Perfect for spices, measuring spoons, or small tools. Hidden efficiency.
What's your take on food placement inside the fridge?
Think zones again. Top for ready to eat, middle for daily items, bottom for raw foods.
That's so logical. And clear bins keep everything tidy.
Exactly. Plus, they help airflow and stop smells from spreading.
Let's talk lighting. How does it affect small kitchens?
Under cabinet lighting adds brightness and makes storage areas more functional.
And makes the space feel bigger too.
Yes, light equals space. Reflective surfaces help with that as well.
Any favorite decluttering tips?
One in, one out. If you buy something new, remove something old.
Minimalism meets practicality. I love it.
It's about daily discipline, not big cleanouts once a year.
True. And small routines make organization sustainable.
Exactly. 5 minutes a day is better than 2 hours on weekends.
What about renters who can't renovate?
Use adhesive hooks, rolling carts, or over-door shelves. Flexible, renter-friendly storage.
Great for tight budgets too.
Yes, good design doesn't have to be expensive. It's about intention.
Speaking of intention, color matters too, right?
Absolutely. Light tones expand space, consistent containers keep it calm.
So visual harmony boosts mental calmness.
It does. Organized kitchens feel emotionally lighter.
I like that. Design as therapy.
Exactly. Functional order leads to mental order.
What about sustainability?
Reuse glass jars, buy in bulk, avoid plastic when possible. Organization meets eco-awareness.
Perfect. Efficient and responsible.
Right. A small kitchen can be green and elegant.
Before we wrap up, what's your golden rule?
Keep it visible, simple, and consistent. Systems only work if they're easy to maintain.
That's wisdom right there. Thanks, Mark.
Always a pleasure, Alice.
And thank you, listeners. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Talk for more smart living ideas.
See you next time, and remember, every inch can be beautifully designed.